Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn about function overloading in C++. Function overloading is a feature that helps in achieving polymorphism in C++. There are two ways we achieve polymorphism. One is static binding or compile time polymorphism, and the other is dynamic binding or the runtime polymorphism. Polymorphism goes by the phrase one interface, multiple methods. If you are from C background, we cannot use the same name functions, but in C++, we can do it as long as their parameter declarations are different. So what I mean to say is we can have same function name and the different parameter declarations. Let's see this by an example. Let me copy the existing project, paste it and rename it to function overloading. I'll close the existing project, come to function overloading, delete the temporary files. In source, come up to main.cpp. Here I will clear the existing class and the objects that I created in the previous lesson. Let's see how we achieve our polymorphism using function overloading. So we know like we have the function int sum and we declare it like int a and int b. So here what I will do is return the statement a plus b. But what if I want a function that would return our double or float values? So what I can simply do here is I can double the sum double a comma double b, and this would technically return our uh, function in the double format or the float format. So let's call our function and use it. So here I will take int n1 and n2. Also I will take float f1 comma f2. So what I will do here is let's get it from the user scanf, or I can keep it as double so that it's easy to detect that uh, for the compiler. And I will print enter two integer numbers, scanf, and percentage n1 space percentage n2 comma ampersand n1 and ampersand n2. Again, what I can do here is, oh sorry, it should be percentage d and here percentage d. Now I want the user to enter the float values. Enter two float values, float numbers or the decimal numbers. Okay, let's scan app. We can use percentage f, comma ampersand f1, comma ampersand f2. Okay, and what we will do here is we will store the results in the respective uh, definitions. Okay, so like int result underscore int equal to sum n1 comma n2 and int result underscore double or float, I will keep it D, equal to sum comma f1 comma f2. So what will here compiler do is it would automatically detect it should be a double value or the float value. The compiler would automatically detect which of the function I am trying to call. So here, since I am using double result, so it will call the double sum. And here I am using the int result, so it would call the integer sum. Let's print up the value percentage d. Okay, integer sum percentage d, comma, it should be result underscore int, and I will create a new line and carry as return, and just copy this statement to change the values. Here I will do a ampersand f, and here it would be result underscore d. Okay. So this is how we are going to achieve our function overloading. Let's build the code, and it says, okay, it is like double, so it should be long float, and here again long float. Let's build it. It's built properly without any problem. And let me open my Teraterm. I have my board connected, connect to the serial port, and I will run the application. Select OK. So it is flashed, and let's see. It's not printing the value. So let us see why it's not printing. Okay, I reset the button. It's not taking, means it's when I'm pressing my key press on the integer values, so it is taking, but it is not visible because I need to do one setting, and that is local echo. Enable this and press OK, so it would be visible, and enter two float numbers. And if it is like this also, you what we need to do here is like go to terminal, and it should be line feed, not CR, carry as return. Okay. What I will do here is again clear the buffer, press the reset button. So 23, and the second number would be 45, and the float number would be 44.33, and the second float number would be 33.68. Okay, so let's press the value and see what we have got. We have got this correct value, what we should be expecting. And that is why we use function overloading, so that we can have the same, means different prototypes we have and different parameter declaration, but with the same function name. And the functionalities are same. Thank you.